Rising artist from out of Jamaica, because by the name of Papi Kat, he's gonna be my guest. Keep it locked. Right, Papi Kat, how you doing?
Too bad,
Great, great. You're live on Stockade Radio out of Florida. Bless up our listeners who are listening. Well, share with us the place where you were born and brought up in. Speak to me about Jamaica, because you're a Jamaican artist. Speak to me about your community growing up as a young kid and how music became a part of.
I'm from a humble background, a poor background as well. But we have a certain moral that we try to keep, we try to make certain so we don't get into trouble and so on. But, going to school and things like that, it was difficult because 7 of us, my parents have, and,
Now you've teamed up.
working as a team in unity, then things come to more than trying to do it on my own, because as I'm saying, no man is an island, no one stands alone. So together we can do it.